All right, like the description says, the time has come. I'm selling my 2019 and a half. That's when it was introduced, the Signature Edition 2019 rear-wheel drive 3.0T Q50 Signature Edition. So it's got the S features on it, except for it doesn't have the larger brakes, Okibono brakes, but I have R1 rotors on the front and R1 ceramic pads. Comes with pretty dark tinted windows. It's the black chrome wheels that a lot of people like. I've got my MagnaFlow catback on there, X-pipe. Low miles, man. I have not put a lot of miles on it. It's got 26,560 miles right now, so under 27,000 miles. Pirelli Summer Nero tires. I think they're 240 tread wear, so they're soft. It's got wheel locks. As I'm talking to you, it's got a 3M paint protection film from the mirrors up to the front. The whole front of the car is PPF and Expel, so it's the self-healing paint protection film. Everything on the car at the front is paint protected. No crashes. I'm the only owner of this car. I've owned it when I bought it new, and I've owned it till now, till I want to sell it. It's got I've got documented oil changes, probably about 8 oil changes in only 26,500 miles, so between 3,000 and 4,000. Let's take a look inside. It's got a sport interior. It's got the sport seats, perforated. I don't think they're the pure leather. They're you know, kind of a it looks like leather, but they're really comfortable seats. I love this car. You get the thigh extension on both the seats. Both the seats are powered. It's got doesn't have a premium sound system in it, but it's a good sound system. It's got the sunroof. Of course, I think every Q50 comes with a sunroof, but it's up there. You can open it, slide it back, or tilt it up. Pretty cool feature. I like it. I run it more with it tilted up in the back. Seats almost look like they haven't been sat in. The driver's seat, because I'm the primary driver of the car, has just a little bit more wear, but the back seat and the passenger side seat, you almost can't see that anyone's ever sat in the seats. The car is going to a dealership on likely Friday or Saturday. So this is Tuesday, so I'm just making a video. If someone wants this car, you've got to contact me faster. If you know someone, you will be going through my bank. It's financed, partial, you know, I paid it down a lot, but there's you need to, we'll work together, and you will contact my bank, and you will pay the car off, or not, I'm sorry, not pay the car off, but you will buy the car. My asking price is $26,500. It's got the catback exhaust. It has the AMS low pressure fuel pump. I put that in there. It has the tires, excellent shape, probably 70% tread left. Let's open the hood. All right, the downside of taking it to the dealership and selling it at the dealership is they prefer it without any of the modifications on it, and they'll take those off and maybe trash them or give them to an employee. It's got AMS air boxes. I hate to see that happen. It's got AMS air boxes and the air filter. It has the Mishimoto must-have catch can unless you want dirty valves. Some people don't seem to care about caked on dirty valves and the loss of performance that comes with that. That catch can has been on the car, been on this car since about 400 miles. So it's very, 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 very likely that the intake valves are really clean. I don't have a borescope to look at it and verify, but the car runs really, really well. The wind's blowing my hood down. It's got a heat exchanger, a larger heat exchanger. Let's see what else it's got. We're gonna let the hood down because I don't want to let it slam. It's got a Hussein 93 tune, Hussein race box, top of the line, one of the best tuners other than AMS and maybe Sonic Tune does a really good job. 93 tune. It's going to come with the Bluetooth module so you can data log and do the things that you do with that. I'm not going to go into detail on that. So an awesome car. The reason I'm selling it is I'm too emotionally involved in this car. It's just one of those things that I value it too much. I drive it down the road and I'm extra worried about rock chips and I mean, it just drives me nuts. And you can't drive these days and rock chips and debris in the road. Putting a lot of miles on it, just kills the value, wears your tires out, wears other parts out. So I just don't drive it a lot, and I like it that way. And I've had a great time with the car. It's very, very fast. It's reliable. It's about 445, 450 to the wheel horsepower. I've had it dynoed. It's just a great car. And the hood's slightly open. I didn't push it down. Like I said, PPF all on the front from the rear section all the way forward. Beautiful car. Well, if you want to, you need to contact me quick and then arrange to be talking to my bank very, very soon, because like I said, Friday night or Saturday it's going to a dealer and they're probably gonna price it at $27,28. So I'm at $26,500. I think that's fair with all the little extra features, but not super molested. But it's got a tune, a cat back, a lot better front brakes, very, very important, a heat exchanger, and the AMS low pressure fuel pump. So you could run up to E30 if you wanted to. I do not run ethanol in this car. But that's the video. My name is Brian. Shoot me or post if you want it quickly. It's gonna be gone by maybe Monday. Gorgeous car in my opinion. Better looking than a lot of Q50s, just because of the styling that they did in 2019 and a half, mid-years when I bought it. Bye-bye, have a great day. Hope to hear from you, bye-bye. Also too, I'm driving home from the little spot I went to, but I live in Dallas, Texas. That's important information to know, so you want to pick this up locally. But yep, $26,500 with all the goodies on it and the tune, which was about $1,500. 93 tune, so it's a very cool car, very fast, very comfortable, great daily driver, no wrecks, one owner. So it is a pretty stellar deal. Like I said, the dealerships will probably be selling this for $27,000, $28,000. So you can save some money, and I'll make a little bit more money than trading it into the dealership. But come and get it. Let me know. Post, and we'll communicate. Got to do it quickly. Bye-bye.